It's a lot of work. I started cooking around 1. It's like 6 minutes past 3. I'm already finished. Like, I am tired. I kind of switched it up a little bit because the sweet potato, I wanted to make like a baked sweet potato, but it's taking its sweet time and I need to cook other things with the air fryer. This is why I need a bigger one. But, so these are the verbs. I just cut it up. And this is melted butter with cayenne pepper and just salt. Just gonna put it on top and just put sugar in. Then a few more minutes, then we're ready. See you guys tomorrow. Hello, I am off to church. I am very late. I'll show you the outfit when I come back from church. I won't take you guys along because can't get a game. So just made like reheated yesterday's snack and yeah, mama only made it. So I'll see you guys after church. When I say that it is pouring, like hula eana. So I think we're gonna wait a while, but we have to go and buy seeds. I wanna plant like spinach and a couple of herbs. So yeah, it's like it is pouring. And oh, it's too dark. But I always come prepared. But like after church, get it like a snack. This is yesterday's bowl. It is so good. I will see you guys tomorrow. It is Sunday. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna sleep. And we are going to plant these guys tomorrow on Monday. These are a lot, but I couldn't find like baby spinach. So we are going to plant these guys tomorrow. I'm excited about them. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. I'll plant them. Good morning. I don't know if you can hear me properly. I'm on load shedding next door, but it's really like a generator, so I don't know if you can hear me properly. But today's the day we plant my pineapple and baby spinach, and those, I don't know what the name of those flowers are, but those little flowers. And yeah, let's get into it. So these are the babies. I've never done this before. I could try one up a bit later, but fingers crossed. I don't like bags. Fun fact, this takes, is it like over 3 years? So don't think you'll see this in the next 2 months or something. No, we'll see this after 3 years. morning, I think it's only fitting that I watch the Looney Tunes while I eat the same cereal. Today we have like a couple of things that we need to do. My to-do list. Where's my phone? Hold on. So my to-do list is I need to make ginger shots. I need to plant the flowers that I said I'm going to plant, the seeds. And I want to plant also like a lemon tree. I just need to Google and watch a couple of YouTube videos on how to do that. One thing that I know is there's like a lot of spiders today because I see like spider webs and stuff. So I'm just making sure that when I go in and plant these lemon seeds, there's nothing. Guys, look at all of those bags. So I've saved like quite a few. I'm gonna plant them in there. Listen, when I say I am excited about all of these little trees and plants that I'm growing, I'm gonna buy more. I think I'm just gonna buy like herbs for when I cook. That would be also nice. So I'm excited. It might take a while for like the lemon tree to grow or the pineapple tree to grow, so you'll just have to wait